So, what is going on, guys? Today, I got a new box from one of our new sponsors, Works Connection. Sent us a little package here. Let's see what we got going. Really working with Works Connection this year. They do some really sick products. They have all your bling for like your caliper or your what do you call it? Whatever the hell you want to call that. Can't even think off the top of my head right now. Trying to open this box. What we got here? Just some Radiator guards, it looks like. Sweet. These are gonna look badass, especially with the new polished frame. They match real nice. What a coincidence. Works Connection hooking it up. Definitely really pumped to be working with them this year. It's gonna be a good year. We're gonna have some more sick things coming for the bike. You know, we're gonna order all the bling parts and whatnot you can get for this thing. Definitely excited to, you know, get into this and see how this works and gets on. But yeah, we got all the parts with it. Looks like really good quality metal too. Yeah, it is. Damn, that's real nice. Super clean. So as you can see, we got one side on. I just have to drill this bolt. I just wanted to make sure I could put it on right before I, you know, video myself putting it on. So we're gonna hop to this side because I'm not drilling it yet. I just want to make sure everything lines up. So what you want to do is you get your radiator guard out. Take this little rubber off. I'm gonna pop it in this circle right here. Once you get that in, like so, what I've been doing is I put this little bolt in here. Put this bolt in, make sure it lines up. And then what you do is you grab the other bolt. You're gonna have a longer one with this little metal piece right here. Put that on like that. Just pop that bad boy in. This is just to hold. This isn't where it goes, you know, right now, but this is just so when we drill it, we don't have to worry about anything slipping or it not being right, because we're gonna tighten this thing down. So that way it's in the right spot we need it. Then we can tighten these down. And then once that's nice and tight, it's about the same each side. That's nice and tight. We just double check this side's nice and tight, 'cause I want it a little tighter. this one side. Alright, that is nice and tight. And double check this is nice and tight. Yes. So all that's left to do now is drill these holes out. So once we drill these out, should be pretty simple. Once we drill them out, put the final bolts in, take this bolt out, shroud goes on, it's done. I'll show you on this side. Definitely looks sick. This is what it looks like all done. Came out really good. Matches good with the shiny frame. Oh yeah. Ready to rip. Like below if you like this chrome frame better than the stock brush look. Give it a like down below if you like that look. To me it looks kind of factory, you know. I wanted to do the swinging arm, but it didn't want to cooperate. So right now we stuck with the frame. So give it a like if you like the frame. Give it a like if you like Work Connections and what their products are. Here's some of their stuff right here for the Hondas. It looks great. So